learn percentages. Topic 7, PPT 17. PPT 17. First problem. What should be 7.5% of 2000? 7.5% of 2000. 7.5% of 2000. These are rupees. 2000 rupees. 7.5 by 100 into 2000, or we can cancel these two zeros. 75 twos are 150, and also write 10, this 0, then shift the decimal to the left by 1 place. Here 1 place, keep 1 place, maintain 1 place, 1 decimal place. So answer is 150 rupees. We may keep 150 00 also. So option is 3. Next, the second one. What percent is 200 grams of 2 kg is 200 grams of 2 kg, 200 grams of 2 kg. Percentage, to find percentage, multiply by 100 into and keep the percentage sign. We have to make these same units to convert kilograms into grams. 2 kilograms, 2000 grams. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 1 0, 1 0. 2 ones are 2. 1 tens are 10. 10 percentage. 10 percentage. So option 4. Next, question number 3. What is 75% of 2000? 75% of 2000. 75% means 75 by 100 into 2000 rupees. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 75 twos are 150. Keep this 0. So 1500 rupees. 1500 rupees. Option 2. Next, 4th. Note the following as decimal. 5% of 3.75 plus 10% of 7.25. 5% means 5 by 100 into 3.75 plus 10%, 10 by 100 into 7.25. First we have to multiply this. We can keep like this also. 5 sevens, 5 fives are 25. 100 is LCM. 100 is LCM. These are like fractions. Now 5 fives are 25. 5 sevens are 5 fives are 25. 2 carry. 5 sevens are 35. 37. 5 threes are 15. 18. So maintain 2 decimals places. Place 7 point. We have to multiply by 10. Shift the decimal to the right by 1 place. 72.5. We have to add this 18.75, 72.50. So 5, 12, 9, 11, 2, 7, 9, 91.25. 91.25 by 100. To divide by 100, shift to the decimal to the left by 2 places. So 0.9125. that is 0.9125. 0.9125, option 3. So 4 completed children. You check this with your answers. మీకు దీంట్లో ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నట్లయితే అక్కడ టిక్ పెట్టుకోండి, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ అడగండి. Question number 5. What is the 0.1%? Percent means by 100 into 25,000. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 25 ones are 25. And keep this 0. Then maintain, keep this 1 decimal place. So 25.0. 25.0. 25.0 means 25 only. 25 only. So option so once again children, here this is wrong. 0.01 children. 0.01 means completed. 0.01 means we have to keep here. Once again children, 25 ones are 25, 1 0. Maintain 2 decimal places. So 2.50. 2.50, that is called 2.5. So option 1 completed.
10:55
మీరు మళ్ళీ 10:55కు జాయిన్ కాండి. దిస్ సెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్డ్. మీరు 10:55కి మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ కాండి. ఓకే, 5 minutes రీసెస్. 50 అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు.
52.
Plus 1.1 whole to power 1 means 1 only. Here 21 are 25 are 101. 101.1 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 zeros are 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 remainder. 5 2s are 10. 5 ones are. So 20.22 lakhs. Next 1 year ko population 20.22 lakhs. 20 lakhs to 0.22. 20.22 lakhs. Option eighth. 4th. Which of the following two are equal to 1.5? 1.5. 1.5. If you change it to percentage, shift the decimal to the right by 1 place. 150 percentage. 150 percentage in third option and fourth option also. That's why we have to known for this fraction also. 1.5. 1.5 15 by 10. 15 by 10. Fourth option 5 3s, 5 2s. 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 150 in fourth option. In fourth option, we have in fourth option. Tenth one, write the ascending order of the following numbers: 3 by 8, 38%, 0.0038. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means 8 zeros are 8 3s are 24, 6 8 7s are 56, 4 8 5s are 8 1s are. So 0.375, 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375. 38% is equal to, shift the decimal to the left by 2 places. 38, 0.38. Last one, 0.0038. So in this, what is the smallest? This is the smallest. This is the second position. This is the third position. So because these are different, so this is largest one. This is the largest one. So ascending order 0.038. Option 3. 11th one, which of the following two values represent 25%? 25% is 25% equal to 0.25 and quarter 1 by 4. 25% means quarter. 0.25 quarter. Option 1. 12th, give the equivalent of 5 by 8 in terms of percentage. 5 by 8 in percentage. 8 4 2s, 4 25s, 25 5s are 125 by 2, 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 1 remainder, 2 5s are 2 1s are 62.5%. 13th one, what is the decimal equivalent of 3.75% of 1600? 3.75% of 1600. 1600. 2 zeros. 16 5s are 80. 16 7s are 112. 16 3s are 48, 50, 60. 60. So we have to keep two decimal places. 60.20, 60.20, 60.20. What is the correct option? 60.20. Once again, not there this. 16 5s are 80, 8. 16 7s are 112, 120, 12. 16 3s are 48, 50, 60. So 2 decimal places, right? 2 decimal places. So that is equal to 60. So option 1, 14. Next, if A says is 25% more than B, then how much percent is B share less than A? There is a formula in our MMP book. A share, then how much percent is B share less than A? B share less than A is equal to 20, 25, here we have a formula. That formula is x by 100, x by x plus 100 into 100 percentage. So this is the formula to find less, how much less B share. So that's why 25 by 25 plus 100 into 100 percentage. 25 by 125 into 100 percentage. 25 ones are 25, 25 is 25 5s are 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 percentage. So option 2. Question number 15. 750 meters is what percent of 6 kilometer? 750 meters, 6 kilometers, 6000 meters into 100 percentage. 1 0 1 0 2 zeros 2 zeros, 3 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, 3 to the 6, 25 by 2, that is called 12 and up, 12.5 percentage, 12.5 percentage. Option 2. 16. Cheese is available at 160 rupees per kg. If its price goes down by 10%, find the percentage of milk in a cup of tea is 10% goes down 5 milliliters out of 20 milliliters. 5 milliliters by 20 milliliters in percentage. 21 or 25 are 5 5 are 25 percentage. 25 percentage. So 16th, sorry, 16th, this is not 16th, 160 for kg, price goes down 10%, find amount of this in kg that can be bought for 504. ₹160 increase of ₹160 in ₹160 increase of 10%, ₹16 increase. 10% of 160 is ₹16. This is the 10% of 160. So 160 plus 16, 176. 160 plus 16, 176. 176. So 176, 10% increase. Goes down means subtract 4 ₹144 only. Goes down means we have to subtract. So ₹160 160 10% goes down, ₹16. So the value of 1 kg, ₹144, 1 kg. How many kgs for 500 rupees? ₹504. So we have to find this question value. Unitary method. Using unitary method we can solve 1/144 into 504. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, not possible. 4 table. So we have to cancel this. 9 table. 9 1s are 9, 5, 9 7s are 54, 9 6s are 54, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 2 7s are 2 2s are. So 7 by 2, 3.5. 7 by 2 means 3.5 kgs we can buy using 504 rupees. So option 1. In a increase in year in 1 year is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100. This is the formula. Whole to the power of n. Ikkada this is the formula. This is the population, 20 lakhs population. 1 plus R, rate of increasing 1.1 by 100, whole to the power of how many years? This n means years. How many years? Only 1 year. Increasing in only 1 year. So we have to simplify this. 20 LCM of this 100.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Here LCM is 100. We can take like this.
Sir, board not looking, sir. Sir, board is not really looking.
నేను ఈ జూమ్ మీటింగ్లో ఇలానే కనబడుతుందని అంటున్నారు. అందుగురించి నేను వీడియోస్ వేరే కెమెరా ద్వారా రికార్డ్ చేసి మీకు పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నా. కాబట్టి ఈరోజు ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, అవసరమైతే మళ్ళీ అయినా ఈ వీడియో చేసి పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది, అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, మీకు ఏవి క్లియర్గా లేకున్నా అవి డాటా అయితే
పెట్టలేదు సార్.
ఇవన్నీ క్లియర్గా రాలేదని పెట్టలేదు. క్లియర్గా రావడం లేదు, మీరు అన్నట్టుగానే ఇవి కరెక్ట్గా క్లియర్గా లేవు, అందుగురించే పెట్టలేదు. నేను మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్గా క్లియర్గా తీసి పెడదామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నా. ఓకే, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఇంగ్లీష్ వీడియోస్ క్లియర్గా చూడండి, రెడీగా ఉండండి. ఓకే, ఇవి క్లియర్గా వస్తలేవు. నేను మళ్ళీ అవి క్లియర్గా రాలే 16 పెట్టలేదు, క్లియర్గా రాలేదు, క్లారిటీ లేవు, అందుగురించే పెట్టలేదు. ఓకేనా, క్లారిటీగా లేవమ్మా, అందుగురించే పెట్టలేదు. క్లారిటీగా వచ్చిన తర్వాత పెడదామని అనుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు కూడా క్లారిటీగా ఇంకా కనబడుతుందా? బోర్డు కనబడుతుందా? బోర్డు కనబడుతుందా అంటుండే. నేను మళ్ళీ క్లియర్గా రికార్డ్ చేసి పెడతాను. % డిక్రీజ్ అయితే 144 రూపీ అయితే 144 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది. 144 రూపీస్కు కేజీ చీజ్ వస్తుంది. 504 రూపీస్కు ఎంత చీజ్ వస్తుంది అంటే యూనిటరీ మెథడ్లో ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి యూనిటరీ మెథడ్లో ఫైండ్ చేస్తే 3.5 kgs వస్తుంది. 17 5 milliliter of milk is added to every 20 milliliter water to make a cup of tea. The percentage of milk in a cup of tea is 5 milliliter by 20 milliliters into 100%. 5 ones are 5 fours, 4 ones are 4 25s are 25%. Option 4. Next 18. In Supriya's class, 14 out of 25 students ride a bus to school. What percentage of the students do not ride a bus? Fourteen out of 25 students ride a bus to school. 14 out of 25. Percentage 25 ones are 25 fours are 14 fours are 4 4 16 56 percentage ride a bus to school. What % of the students do not ride a bus? So these are 56%. Do not ride a bus means we have to subtract from 100. So 44% do not ride a bus. 44% is option 3. 44%. So 19th, 150% equal to 150% equal to delete this percentage sign, shift to the decimal to the left by 1 place, 1.50. 1.50 is equal to 1.5. So option 1. Question number 20. In the number B is 10% less than another number C, and C is 5% more than 150, then B is equal to here given 150. ఈ 150లో B is 10% less than. 10% less than means another number 90. 100 minus 10 by 100 into C is 5% more than 150. 100 plus 5 by 100. If we simplify this, we can get the answer. So 150, 90 by 100 into 105 by 100. 0, this 0, 0, one more 0. Now we have to multiply. 15 5s are 5. We can cancel 5 3s, 5 20s, 5 2s, 5 1s, 5 4s, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 by 4. So here is in decimal. 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, 3 4 7s are 28, 2 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 15.75 is the here we have 9 also. We didn't multiply this totally. 3, here we have 4. 3 9s are 27. 27 into 21, 7 2, 14 4, 7 6 4, 4 6 7 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4, 2. Once again we can calculate this. 150, 90 by 100, 105 by 100. So 1 0 1 0. First we can multiply this 15 5s are we can multiply this. 15 5s are 75, 15 1s are 15 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 60, 60 67, 9 5s are 45, 51, 9 1s are 9, 14. So 141.75 by 100. Here we have 100. So what is the answer? 141.75. 141.75 is fourth option. Option 4. Unmute check, sir.